We guide you through how to copy a Discord server templates so you can instantly create your own server with the same layout. First thing you need to do is to get the template link from your server you want to copy. This usually starts with discord.new or discord.gg, followed by the template ID. Once you have the link, open it to your browser or directly inside the Discord app. Discord will show you a preview of the server layout, including channels, categories, and basic settings. Click Use Templates, then enter your new server name and upload an icon if you want. After that, Discord will automatically create a brand new server with the exact structure as the template. Keep in mind that templates only copy the layout, not messages, rules, or custom permissions, so you'll need to set those up manually. Once your server is created, organize your channels, add rules, invite bots, and customize the settings to match your community. In just a few minutes, you'll have a clean, ready to use server built from the template you copied.